Quite delicious. Okay, this is the rice I'm going to take. Wow, tasty rice. Actually, I like egg, so I also want to have. It's my favorite one, guys. Okay, now I will put. Look, the tasty sauce is ready now. Now Manchurian is ready. I'm going to dish out. Okay, for you, you would also taste it. It's very very tasty Manchurian, and now I will definitely take in front of you. Okay, very very tasty. Wow, look, very beautiful and nice and tasty one. Okay, it's okay now. Now I'm going to taste it. Come with me. Yeah, viewers, look at my long grain tasty rice. Okay, last time I shared the recipe of the Chinese rice that was frozen vegetable. Today I brought the vegetable, cut it myself. This is the recipe of fresh vegetable. The taste of the vegetable which we are using, I mean like this is type of the vegetable which is fresh vegetable, having a very good and awesome taste of every bite. Oh my god. Please have some. Please take it. Check it. That is the one bite for my vloggers. Okay. Now I'm going to. This is my Manchurian. I'm going to put it on the rice. Oh my god! Wow, what a nice.